What's going on, guys? Got another algorithm here for you. This one I actually got stuck on yesterday. I couldn't figure it out. I spent a good couple hours doing it, and then I just gave up to continue working on Angular. But I reapproached it today because I refused to give up, and it was kind of eating at me, and it was really funny because I solved it pretty much right away. Because before I was trying to do it where like my logic started getting really convoluted because I was trying to decide if I needed to buy or not. Well, it doesn't matter if I buy on a day because I can also sell on the same exact day for zero profit, so it doesn't affect the total. So once I realized that, because I reread the prompt, I'm like, well, that eliminates all the logic that's messing everything up. So then I went ahead and I got it on my second try because I didn't implement something for base cases and it messed it up. So if length is less than 2, so in other words, if it is only 0 or 1, we're going to return 0 because we can't make a profit. Just can't do it. Because it either has 0 or it has 1. So you either buy it on that day and you sell it, or there was nothing to buy in the first place. So we'll return 0. And then we have our loop, which is actually only going to be one if statement, and that is if the current number in the array is less than the last number in the array, which means that there was a drop in price. So in other words, you should have sold the day before, which is what this does. It emulates you selling the day before. So the profit, you're going to add to it the last day's profit minus the bought price. And then the bought price is going to equal the day that you sold. The bought price is going to be the index after the price that you should have sold, so the current index that you were on. That was really confusing, and it didn't need to be. Anyways, so then if the last price is greater than the last price before that, so we're going to stop before the last index. That's important because we have a special condition if we should sell the day before the last day or the day of the last day, because before it would just continue, and obviously you want to sell on the last day, otherwise you're just holding on to stock that has profit. So if the last price is greater than the price before it, we're going to add to profit the last price minus the bought price. Otherwise, we're going to do the price before that minus the bought price, which probably not necessarily be 0, but it would be different than the other because it's different numbers you're subtracting. Anyways, it ends up running correctly, and it was actually really straightforward. And I feel kind of silly for having so much problems with it before, but it was all because I was trying to add unnecessary logic, and it just made everything convoluted. There's like if-else statements everywhere. It's ugly, and this looks really clean, and it's so funny because all I had to do was go back and learn that they distinctly mention that you can sell on the same day you buy, and that's when I realized, like, oh, I'm messing this up bad. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. Catch you later.